Welcome back to my channel Edify. In this session we will learn how to write and create files. So let's get started. To write to an existing file, you must add a parameter to the open function, that is a, which is represented for append. This will append to the end of the file. Then we have w, represented for write. This will override any existing content. So let's see each with example. First let's append content to the file. To do that, let's type f is equals to open of, paste the copied path here of the file, then comma a. Here a is written for appending, then f dot write of, we have more content, then f dot close. This line closes the file after appending. Now let's open and read the file after the appending, that is f is equals to open, paste the copied path of the file here, then comma r, then print of f dot read. Now if we compile this, as you can see in the output screen, this line is appended at the end of the content of a file. Next, let's see how to override the content of a file. To do that, let's type f is equals to open of, paste the copied path of the file here, then comma w. W is represented for write. Then f dot write of, I have managed to do it, then f dot close. Now to open and read after overwriting, let's type f is equals to open, then paste the copied path of the file here, then comma r, then print of f dot read. Now if we compile this, the whole content is replaced by this sentence, that is, I have managed to do it. Similarly, we have create file. We make use of x to create a file. For example, f is equals to open of file name comma x. This was all about write and create files. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel Edify and hit the bell icon for more such updates. Thank you for watching.